I bet you didn't know your beach snacks could be healthy and tasty. Let's find out how. Let's skip the greasy chips and sugary treats and dig into 10 healthy snacks perfect for a sunny beach day. First up, fresh fruit skewers. Colorful, hydrating, and easy to make. Stack watermelon, pineapple, grapes, or strawberries on skewers. Add mint leaves or a drizzle of honey for extra flavor. Next, hummus and veggie packs. Crunchy carrots, bell peppers, and creamy hummus in single-serve cups. Try fun flavors like roasted red pepper or garlic. Third, Greek yogurt parfaits. Layer Greek yogurt, granola, and fresh berries in mason jars. Chill overnight and pack in your cooler for a protein and carb boost. Fourth, almond butter banana wraps. Spread almond butter on a whole grain tortilla, add a banana, roll it up, and slice into bites. Sprinkle cinnamon or drizzle dark chocolate for extra yum. Fifth, tropical trail mix. Mix raw nuts, dried fruit, seeds, and a few dark chocolate chips or coconut flakes. Add mango and cashews for a tropical twist, plus popcorn for salty sweet fun. Sixth, quinoa salad jars. Cook quinoa, let it cool, and layer with veggies, beans, and your favorite dressing in mason jars. Filling, colorful, and satisfying. Seventh, crispy roasted chickpeas. Toss chickpeas with olive oil and spices, then roast until golden and crunchy. A high-fiber, protein-rich chip alternative. Eighth, chia seed pudding. Mix chia seeds with almond milk and chill overnight. Top with berries or granola for a creamy omega-3 rich snack. Ninth, cucumber sandwiches. Spread herbed cream cheese between cucumber slices or thin bread. Add smoked salmon or turkey for extra flavor. 10th, pickle roll-ups. Spread cream cheese on turkey slices, wrap around pickles, and enjoy. Try spicy hummus for a tangy twist. These 10 healthy beach snacks are easy to prep, pack, and share. From sweet to savory, refreshing to protein-packed, you'll feel fueled and fabulous all day. Don't forget to stay hydrated, and most importantly, enjoy your time by the sea. Be sure to check out this video for more.